Sofirn headlamp. I have a few lamps from these guys. This is a USB-C chargeable. It does come with a USB-C cable. Comes in this box. This is kind of what it says. To turn it on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the light out. This is extremely bright. So to turn it on, you click the button, and then you can kind of go through 3 or 4 different settings. So you have a spotlight, you have a hybrid, and then you have like a floodlight. So this is the floodlight, spotlight, and then you have both of them on. Then it goes up to 2,500 lumens, extremely bright. So then what you do is basically hold this other button, and you can see how bright that gets. I mean, it's almost blinding, 2,500 lumens. It's really bright. Now, when I got this, I actually had a little bit of an issue where it wouldn't turn on. And I reached out to them, and this actually really nicely comes off of this head. So I'll put the headpiece on, so it's really nice. It goes on, like that. So it's a headlamp, so you can go running with this or whatever, and clip this on and clip it off. But one of the things I ran into, and it was real simple actually, real simple fix, was just cleaning off the battery. Battery had a little bit of oil on it, and it didn't start. This is a giant 18, I think it's an 18 milliamp, 100 milliamp, basically an iPhone battery in there. It comes with extra seals as well. These are the buttons on the top, so this is how you turn it on. Nope, I didn't turn it on all the way. This is how you turn it on. It comes with extra seals, right, in the box. And then this is how you just hold it. It's really simple to move between the modes. You don't have to really think about it. A lot of flashlights are extremely uselessly complicated. This one's very nice. I really like the simplicity of it. It's actually got some weight behind it too, so it doesn't feel like you just bought nothing. And that's how you clip it on. So really nice, fully adjustable. So if you want to have it down, you can do this. Like that. See how it clips, kind of has like an index and there. So you can, if you're working on something, So really cool, really neat. 2,500 lumens at the brightest setting. So extremely bright. There it is. Give you kind of a closer look.